Hi, my name is Adwoa, and welcome to today's video. If you don't know, I am slightly obsessed in a non-creepy, non-stalky way with Beyonce. Yes, Beyonce. So today, in honor of Queen Bee's birthday, we're gonna talk about the career advice that Queen Bee would give us. Because if she would do it, then we should do it. So let's go ahead and count down on my 4 favorite career hacks from Beyonce. Number 4, Beyonce understands the power of surrounding yourself with amazingly talented people. Whether it is her incredibly talented husband, or Justin Timberlake, or Pharrell, or executives from JP Morgan that she snatches away to be her COO like Steve Pammin. She knows what she's doing by surrounding herself with people who demonstrate excellence, because it will keep her on her game and take her from good to amazingly great. And that's a career hack that every single one of us can use. Surround yourself with amazingly great people because it will only help you become better. Number 3, Beyonce understands that collaborations make everything more fun. Harvard Business Review recently did a case study on her with her 2013 digital video drop, Beyonce. In preparation for that album drop, she had the fabulous idea of having every artist that she wanted to work with housed up with her. They rented a house for 1 month. They had separate rooms that operated as studios, and she would go from room to room to room to understand what was going on with the dynamics of the creation of the songs and the videos in each room. And she would offer up to people who they should speak to help make that video, that sound, that track sound that much better. She understood the value of what everybody brought to the table and would suggest who people should work with to make whatever their current project was that much more amazing. And that's the power of collaborations. When you work with talented people instead of working against talented people, everybody wins. Number 2, Beyonce understands the power of preparation. You remember, like I do, that February 2013 halftime show where Beyonce had us all wondering, how can I wake up and be more like Beyonce? Because she was just that incredible and just that mesmerizing on stage, right? Well, as amazing as she is, I'm sure she did not wake up and just go, I know exactly what I want to do. Instead, she researched all the previous halftime shows, took the good and incorporated it into her show in a way that works for her, and avoided all the stuff that did not work from the past halftime shows. That, my friends, is preparation. That way, she already knows, she's learning from history the things that have worked well and is taking it in a way that is unique to her and her brand, so that she could give us one more excellent halftime show that future generations could look back on and say, yeah, I want my halftime show to be like that. So, well done, B. Well done. Number 1 career hack from Beyonce is to have passion for what you do. What is the point in working hard? What is the point in touring around the world? What is the point in working till the wee hours of the morning if you are not passionate about your work? She gives her all on the stage for us, you and I, all of her fans, because she is incredibly passionate about what she's doing. Are you passionate about what you are doing? If you're not passionate about what you are doing, how can you become more passionate about what you are doing? What are you passionate about, and how can you infuse that into your work so that you can work a bit more like Beyonce, so that you can have that work ethic, that passion, that drive, that inspiration that helps make her who she is today. It's not just her talent that makes us salivate when she comes on the screen. It's also because you can tell that she is so in love with the work that she's doing. That's my favorite career hack from Beyonce, and I hope you learn even a little bit of something, a little bit of inspiration for how you can infuse these career hacks into your work and your life. So if you're digging this content, here's what you do. You like it and you share it. You never know how a video share like this one will help somebody else live and work a little bit more like Beyonce. Of course, if you want more of what we're doing here, head over to the site that's listed right here and sign up for email updates. That way, when I drop new content, you get it right in your inbox. Organizations all over the world need that unique gift that only you bring. So go out into the world today and act with conviction, be courageous, and live joyfully every single day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you again at our very next video.